pictures on your screen are of the 16 lawmakers, MPs, and MLAs. But the reason they are on your screen is because these are the lawmakers who are currently facing declared cases related to rape. As many as 151 sitting MPs and MLAs have declared cases related to crimes against women in their election affidavits, with West Bengal having the highest number of lawmakers facing such cases, according to a recent report by a poll rights body. Now, for the report, the Association for Democratic Reforms examined 4,693 out of 4,809 affidavits of sitting MPs and MLAs submitted to the Election Commission of India during elections between 2019 and 2024. The organization identified 16 MPs and 135 MLAs facing cases related to crimes against women. Now, here are the names of the lawmakers who have declared cases related to rape in their affidavits. Starting with the MPs, first we have Raghunandan Rao Madhav Neni from constituency Medak in Telangana, and he belongs to BJP. Next, we have Soumitra Khan from West Bengal, Bishnupur, and the party is BJP. Moving on to MLAs who have declared cases related to rape, first we have Chintamaneni Prabhakar from West Godavari district belonging to TDP. Next, we have Braj Kishore Pradhan from Angul district, Talcher, Odisha, belonging to BJD. Then we have Vinay Kulkarni from Dharwad constituency in Karnataka, belonging to Congress. Then we have Kamleshwar Dodiyar, belonging to Ratlam from MP from Bharat Adivasi Party. Hemant Satyadev Katare from Bhind district from MP, belonging to Congress. Next, we have Atanasio Monserrate from North Goa constituency, Panji, Goa, party BJP. Then we have Ahir Jetabai from Panchmahal, Shehra, Gujarat, belonging to BJP. We have Nijam Uddin Chaudhary from Hailakandi, Algapur, Assam, belonging to AIUDF. Then Advocate M. Vincent from Tiruvananthapuram, Kovalam, Kerala, belonging to INC. Asan Malana from Chennai, Velachery, Tamil Nadu, belonging to INC. Humidul Rahman from Uttar Dinajpur, Chopra, West Bengal, belonging to AITC. Then we have Mohinder Goyal from Northwest Rinthala, Delhi, belonging to AAP. We have Pradeep Yadav, Godda, Poryahat, Jharkhand, belonging to INC. Ravindra Dattatreya Chavan from Thane, Dombivali, Maharashtra, belonging to BJP. Now, popular names like Suresh Gopi, Sukanta Majumdar are also in the list of cases related to crime against women. Now, when we analyze the report further, we understand that West Bengal tops the list with 25 sitting MPs and MLAs facing charges related to crime against women. This is followed by Andhra Pradesh with 21 and Odisha with 17. Now, the report comes amid the nationwide protests over the alleged rape and murder of a trainee doctor in a state-run hospital in Kolkata and sexual assault of 2 children in Thane. Among political parties, Bharatiya Janata Party has the highest number of representatives, that is 54 MPs and MLAs, with declared cases of crime against women. BJP is followed by Congress with 23 and Telugu Desam Party with 17, according to the report. Both BJP and Congress have 5 sitting lawmakers, each facing rape charges. The ADR has issued strong recommendations in response to these findings. It stressed on the need for political parties to refrain from giving tickets to candidates with criminal backgrounds, especially those with charges of rape and other crimes against women. The report called for the fast tracking of court cases against MPs and MLAs, ensuring professional and thorough investigations by the police. The ADR urged voters to avoid electing candidates with such charges. For more such reports, keep watching the Indian Express.